Hi everyone. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you, or show you, how to connect Sony Bravia TV to Wi-Fi network. Or how to connect your Sony Smart TV to your Wi-Fi internet connection. This is a very easy and quick tutorial, friends. So now, let's get started. Here's the remote control of our Sony Smart TV. Let's go to the setting now. I'm gonna press the setting icon on my remote, or setting option now. Just like this, friends. You can press here to move right, and press here to move left, and press here to move up, and also you can press here to move down. Then press here in the middle to enter. Just like this, friend. Once you're here, let's select the network and internet option. I'm gonna press the arrow down button to select the network and internet option. Then press enter. Once you are here, you can now connect to your Wi-Fi network. Here's our Wi-Fi network. I'm gonna connect now here. Enter your Wi-Fi password. You can also hide your Wi-Fi password. Once you have already entered your Wi-Fi password, select check to continue. Then press enter. Just like this. My Sony Smart TV is now connecting to our Wi-Fi network. Here it is, friends. My Sony Smart TV is now successfully connected to Wi-Fi.
That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.